Emergency, my pilot's conscious. I need help up here.
You are able to fly an aircraft?
Single engine altitude set is 10,000, but I'm going through 13 now. I don't know why I keep going climbing. I need help. Okay, here, 559 Delta Whiskey, bearing 90,000 behind me on Delta.
559 Delta Whiskey, Miami Center, Roger. Climb, maintain 14,000. Air 559 Delta Whiskey, Miami Center, Roger. Climb and maintain 14,000. Air 6064 Papa, contact Miami Center 133.5.
335, you have a good day.
Air 44 Quebec, descend and maintain 4,000.
Miami Center, King Air 559 Delta Whiskey.
Air 559 Delta Whiskey, Miami Center, here's your loud and clear. How me?
I got declared emergency. My pilot's unconscious. I need help up here.
Air 559 Delta Whiskey, Roger, and Samoa. 4 miles approach, 4 miles low, 724 line.
4 miles approach, 4 miles low.
4 miles approach, 4 miles low, 724 line, emergency.
Alright.
559 Delta Whiskey has an unconscious pilot. He needs help. You want me to put him back on you?
Need help?
Where's he going? He's just him on. Air 559 Delta Whiskey, say your intentions.
I need to get this thing on the ground. I'm flying the King Air.
Air 559 Delta Whiskey, I understand. Are you a pilot? The pilot unconscious.
My pilot's deceased. I'm a single engine pilot, low time.
Miami 49.
I need help. I need a King Air pilot to talk to.
Alright, all aircraft standby. Air 559 Delta Whiskey. And are you at the cockpit now?
I am co-pilot seat. Get him out.
Air 9 Delta Whiskey, understand you are able to fly an aircraft?
Single engine. I need to get off this. I'm going through 11,000. I need to get level.
Air 9 Delta Whiskey, go ahead and level off at 1,000.
I want to do that with unset this autopilot.
Air 9 Delta Whiskey, right. 0461, contact Miami approach 133.77.
3377, 0461.
American 2234, contact Miami approach 120.5.
20.5, American 2234.
Vonto 108, descend and maintain 8,000, next ride down.
Hurry down to 8,000, Vonto 108.
Eagle,
Air 9 Delta Whiskey, are you able to maintain 12,000?
Do I turn off the altimeter or not? It's steady climbing, and it looks to me like my altitude descent is on 10,000. I don't know why I keep going climbing. Figure out how to level off.
And November 9 Delta Whiskey, okay, and you think the autopilot is on?
I know it's on.
And or 9 Delta Whiskey, yeah, right. Can you tell what altitude it says it's going to climb to?
The altitude set is 10,000, but I'm going through 13 now. I should have leveled off at 10, so how do I stop that is what I want to know.
Citrus 86, descend and maintain 11,000.
11,000, Citrus 86.
458 Hotel Charlie, contact Miami Center 127.2.
472, Hotel Charlie.
Center after 445, kilo 10,000, 270.
American 2050, cross Scott, maintain 10,000 at 250 knots.
Scott
559 Delta Whiskey only, and understand, so we're trying to find some help out here, and you're still on a climb?
Still climbing through 14,000. I can turn my altitude set to 15, maybe that'll stop it.
You said it's set at 15,000?
It's set at 10,000, 10,000, but it went through that, so I need to, if I set it to 16,000, will it level off or not under altitude set? 9 Delta Whiskey?
Alright, November 9 Delta Whiskey, okay, I understand you're going to be leveling off at 15,000, is that what you're showing on the autopilot?
No, autopilot, once again, says 10,000. I've already busted 10,000, I'm steady climbing. I need to stop the climb. Stay with me, Miami. Let's go.
559 Delta Whiskey. I'm here. Don't worry. We're trying to find the solution to that. Stand by.
Army on the 50. Okay, number 5 Delta Whiskey. When you look at the center console there, you don't see anything with the ATM. You see the autopilot's unable to disengage.
I don't know. I know where the autopilot switch is down here. It's on engage right now. I can engage it if you disengage it. That's fine.
Delta Whiskey. We're going to start a slow, shallow descent. Just easy down on the yoke. A slight descent. We're going to get you down to 11,000.
11,000. Do you want me to change the power setting on the throttle? Whiskey.
Number 9 Delta Whiskey affirmative. Pull back. Pull back slightly on the throttle and just ease over the yoke gently.
Alright.
We're going to take a nice shallow descent. Whatever you're comfortable with, we'll just try to make a nice shallow 500 feet per minute descent.
That's Interstate 86, Miami.
Miami, 115 Alpha Kilo. We're heading 270, 10,000. American 4560 is lower.
Interstate 86, contact Miami, approach 133.77.
Hi, y'all, good luck. 3377, we'll do.
American 456, flying 180.
Heading 180, American 457. You want to show that 445 Alpha Kilo?
Alpha Kilo, stand by.
I'm going to...
American 456, flying 180, contact Miami Center 132.6.
Thank you. 322, good day.
5 Alpha Kilo, climbing dip over 400.
Up to 400, can we get direct volunteer?
5 Alpha Kilo got emergency going on, stand by 1, and contact Miami Center 133.9er.
1339, up to 400, 445 Alpha Kilo.
Okay, number 5 Delta Whiskey, doing all right there, descending?
We're having a Hoot 9er Delta Whiskey at 16,000, 1,000 foot per minute descent, 9er Delta Whiskey.
Okay, number 9 Delta Whiskey, just so you know what we're doing here, we're going to get you down to 1,000. We're going to make you give you a turn to the west. We're going to hand you off to Fort Myers Approach, and they've got some... Okay, number 5 Delta Whiskey, real nice job in that turn there, and you're going to be talking to Fort Myers Approach here in just a minute. Like I said, they're going to take their time and talk to you and get you down safe.
What's that frequency going to be?
Number 5 Delta Whiskey, it will be 132.07.
Let me see if I can find it without screwing this up. 132 what?
It'll be 132.07 for November 5 Delta Whiskey.
13207, 9 Delta Whiskey.
Delta Whiskey is contact Fort Myers Approach 132.07 by pushing 2. If you do not get them, just switch it again and you'll be talking to me.
Thanks. Our center, King Air 559er Delta Whiskey.
King Air 559er Delta Whiskey, Fort Myers Approach. And are you in the descent right now, sir?
I am. What you want me to do with it? Hold it or what?
Actually, if you can, we can just start a descent down to 5,000, and we're getting some help from another pilot that's familiar with the airplane. We'll get you some information. Can you descend the airplane?
I can, down to 5,000 on the heading 270. This is a King Air 200.
King Air 9er Delta Whiskey, Roger. We're passing that information now. If you're able, fly heading 240 and descend and maintain 5,000. Just take your time. We'll set you up for the airport.
Alright, 240 to 5,000, 9er Delta Whiskey.
And November 9er Delta Whiskey, are you using the autopilot or are you flying the airplane?
Me and the good Lord's hand flying this 9er Delta Whiskey.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Nine Delta Whiskey, when you're ready, turn left heading 180. We'll start working you towards the airport. Whenever you're ready to turn, fly heading 180.
180 to 5,000 for 9er Delta Whiskey. I can push altitude select on the console.
Okay, I'm passing that information. 9 Delta Whiskey, they're telling me you can salute the heading bug. Do you know how to do that?
No.
Okay, no problem.
I'm 150 knots. I need to keep from stalling this airplane. I'm just going through a little descent here.
Okay, sir, just advance the throttles. And your altitude's good, so I guess just pick up the speed with the throttles and try to hold 5,000 feet. 9 Delta Whiskey, when you can, turn left and fly heading 180 when you're able.
Left 180, 9er Delta Whiskey.
Yeah, looks like your speed's picking up now. That looks good. Yeah, 9er Delta Whiskey, it'll be runway 6. It's a 12,000 foot runway, so you're going to have plenty of runway to work with. And we got equipment standing by, and it's all yours.
What's the wind?
Currently, it's 020 at 4 knots. 9 9 Delta Whiskey, when you get the speed under control, at your discretion, maintain 2,000. There's no hurry for that, but when you're ready, 2,000.
What is speed under discretion indicated?
If we're looking for 160 knots indicated, you can start the gear down. Right now I'm showing your ground speed right at 160 knots.
I think I see a runway at 12 o'clock and about 7-8 miles, 9 Delta Whiskey.
9 Delta Whiskey, that's correct. You're looking at the right runway. That's runway 6 at International, and you're about a 15-mile final now. So have you got the gear going down yet, sir?
Negative, I'm descending. I need to get down to 2,000 and...
You're looking for 160 knots or slower. Now in short final, they're telling me no slower than 110 knots, but I'll confirm that in just a moment. Delta Whiskey, the last instruction I got, when you get to 150 knots, the flap control will say approach flaps on there. Just select that detent when you get to 150 knots. At 9 Delta Whiskey, you are cleared to land, cleared to land runway 6.
Okay, cleared to land runway 6, 9 Delta Whiskey. I need to talk to me about some flaps. When do I hit approach speed?
Okay, you can set you do have the flaps in the first detent right now, sir?
Negative, what airspeed can I drop the approach flaps indication?
You can do it right now, sir. You're at the correct speed now.
First notch down, the flaps, 9 Delta Whiskey. When I touch down, if I ever touch down, do I just kill the throttle or what?
That's correct. When you touch down, slowly kill the throttle. Respond. More information. Once you make it onto the ground, just center line with the rudder pedals, you kill the throttle and maximum braking.
Exactly, you want forward?
9 Delta Whiskey, the runway's all yours. You can turn left or right, whatever's easier for you. Power all the way back, and they're telling me max braking.
We're down, buddy, thank you. 9 Delta Whiskey.
9 Delta Whiskey, when you're ready, you can go to ground frequency 121.9. Nice work.
121.9, thank you.